hello, one and all. Welcome back to Minute Reviews. I'm your host, the review of the day. Thank you for stopping in. Today, for your consideration, we have something from a place called Logan's Roadhouse. This is jalapeno mashed potatoes. Not mashed potatoes, pork and beans. Jalapeno pork and beans. We got little pieces of jalapeno in there. Little onion with a hot flavor to it. Here we go. You can see a little onion or whatever. They do have a sweet taste to them. And they are hot, and it is a good idea. Pretty good sized little serving. And so, I'm going to go ahead and give it a 9 out of 10. As always, thank you for watching.